Welcome to part 3 of the sub-areas playlist. In this section, we'll discuss using sub-areas for a drill-down analysis. We've covered a similar workflow to this in a previous video where we went over how to use string and central inverters in one layout. So I'm looking at my site, and in this southern part of the main area here, I see that there's some space that could definitely be used more effectively. One change I could make is that I have my layout set as a 3 high, which means a maximum of 3 trackers from the road. But if I were to change that to a 4 high here, I could use this space more efficiently, but I don't necessarily want to change that in the rest of my area, right? So I'm going to come in and create a sub area. This time I'll draw it, and I'll try to do my best to hit the end of this row of trackers, but we can always come back in and adjust our boundaries using tab. So once I have my sub area drawn, I set the row height to 4, and then leaving everything else the same, I'll generate. Okay, and now you can see that our trackers fit in here a little better, but the system has deleted out a few trackers. That's fine. This happened because the system didn't want to have overlaps. So we'll go back to our layout panel, then change from sub area 1 to unallocated sub area, and I'll make sure that my row height is still at 3, and I'll regenerate. And now you see the system has fit those two areas together nicely. Now I'm going to compare these two, and we can see we're able to get more DC from the layout we got using sub areas than the one we started with. So by using sub areas, I am able to apply the layout settings that I need in certain areas. In the next video, we'll go over another way to use sub areas in your layout. Thanks for watching.